Greetings, Felinian friends and Dogtown dignitaries. Tonight, we have quite the show.
Psst. Burma, do not boing!
So, without further ado, the cat show.
Burma! Burma, wait up! Burma!
Huh?
Yeah. The springboard is booby-trapped.
What a pathetic ploy to stop me performing my grand finale. What did I say about everything going belly up? Move along! I'm going to need you all to forget this ever happened. You destroyed my routine, mutt! Such a glittery mess. I'll be twinkling for weeks!
I'm really sorry, but listen,
And the winner is Burma Fang. For adding a daring touch of sparkle to a routine that embraced the rigid rules of cat show craft.